Hello everyone and welcome to Alan Cooking. Today I'm going to make energy booster, apple, tomato and carrot juice. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me show you the simple ingredients. First, we peel the carrot and we cut in smaller pieces to make easy in blending. Then we have an apple. We peel it and then we cut in smaller cubes. Next we cut the tomato in small cubes. And here we are, all the ingredients are ready. And then we put in all the ingredients in the blender. We blend them until they are smooth. Then we gonna drain the juice to take the big particle away. Alright, the booster juice, apple, tomato, carrot is done. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Click like on our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.